Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Richard Alog, 35 years old. I am from Philippines. I have three children, ages 14, 11, 7 years old. I want to apply in Hong Kong as a domestic helper. I am here in Philippines currently working as a house caretaker and taking care of pets for almost 3 years. I also been worked before as a private house security guard. I can do also household work like cleaning, cooking, grass cutting, and washing clothes. I want to help my wife to support our children have a good future. I hope you give me a chance to work with you. I am honest, hardworking, dedicated to work. I am willing to learn others' work you given to me. Thank you so much.